Sole Proprietorship Firm is an unincorporated business organization entirely owned and managed by a single individual person. The proprietor and business are unseparated. This video is part of dVidya Learn and Earn scheme. Students learn from free resources. They do project work from their home under guidance and assistance of dVidya and earn money while learning. For details, see the links in the description. Hello everyone, good news. In this video, I explain the complete cycle of preparing Sole Proprietorship Firm Final Accounts through a series of video tutorials. See the links to access all free resources and knowledge about Sole Proprietorship Firm Final Accounts and about dVidya Learn and Earn scheme to earn while learning. Accounting of proprietorship firm entities. The basic principle and methods of accounting is same for proprietorship firm also. The major distinction is that the net profit loss is transferred to proprietor's capital account as proprietor is the sole owner. Normally, non-manufacturing proprietorship firm splits the profit and loss account in two parts: trading account and profit and loss account. Manufacturing firm further creates manufacturing account. They prepare profit and loss account in three parts: manufacturing account, trading account, and profit and loss account. A proprietorship firm has to prepare performance statement, that is trading and profit and loss account, and position statement, that is balance sheet, as part of their periodical financial statement. This video is part of dVidya Learn and Earn scheme. Students learn from free resources. They do project work from their home under guidance and assistance of dVidya and earn money while learning. For details, see the links in the description.
dVidya is constellation of creators, teachers, and students for spreading education. Learn through practical work. Work from home jobs on training completion. Students study from free resources. Do practical assignments and get paid. Do practical projects working from home. Creators create study materials in text and digital form and earn money working from home. Teachers provide online and on-site support and coaching.